You can come out. That right there. Yeah.
Yeah.
Hold this.
I'm gonna hold it. Oh, I'm gonna hold it. Come on.
Okay. That's what it is. What is it? What is that?
Hamster stuff. What is that?
Hey, but that's all that you got, though. Is that okay? Just kidding. You gotta open that. See, I made you a bin cage. What does that say? Yeah, so you can organize them. And what does that say? Yeah? Okay, hold on, Devin. Don't open that. Don't open that, Devin. Yeah, I think that was like the only thing in that box. And then you got that box. The water bottle, though, I was supposed to get you a pink one. I ordered you a pink one, but they sent a blue one, so we'll just have to return that one and get the pink one, okay? Oh, yeah, and then we got that little box. Do you like it? And then I got those paper towel rolls for it to chew on. And that rock we're going to put underneath his water bottle. So, to help keep his claws down. And then that is for his sand bath. Is that cool? Is this pretty neat that I made this?